Maayong adlaw, Dalagetnons, and we are the Powerhouse Chika! Ug karon mga ka-chika, Dalagetnons, mga higala, welcome sa atong ika-44th episode.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, yeah, mga pretty kayo na.
Yes,
Ito ang-
kompleto po ta karon.
Yes, perfect
Celebrate
kayo.
ko to na.
Karong taon, ikaw man ani.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now naapod mi daghang mga balita or news or updates nga mo pong kinahanglan nga makahibalo mo mga Dalagetnons, right?
True.
Yes. So to start off, yesterday, April 3, niyan dinhi ang UP, University of the Philippines, and then nag-MOA signing kay tungod. It's a very good opportunity nga magtukod sila dinhi og Dalaget campus.
Wow. Tinuod yun na.
Satellite.
So, yes,
Satellite
kay
campus.
known ba ya ang mga Dalagetnons nga mga bright. So kinahanglan sa gyud ta og nindot nga eskwelahan.
Tinuod.
Yes.
Tinuod good.
And it is actually a good opportunity, and then state scholar ba ang murag-ngilngig ang makasulod ana ug makagraduate pud anang
Kaayo,
eskwelahan na.
kaayo.
And akong tabang sa mga ginikanan.
Yes,
Tinood.
tinood,
Yes. I graduated from State University as well. Dako gid guys siya nga tabang, especially if the school is offering you a free tuition.
Yes.
Kana dako gid kay ng tabang unya miscellaneous ra imuhang bayran. Yes, sa akong panahon ang miscellaneous 200 pesos.
Wow, kabarato sa?
Yes.
200 pesos ra jud akong bayran unya wala na ko'y bayad sa school kay I'm also from State University man. Oh, Kashmir is from the State University
Yes,
as
also.
well.
Amo
Wala
sa
jud bayran.
CTU.
CTU,
Yes. Oh,
State
so
University.
We are
po.
all a product of state universities.
Of course.
Of course, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes, and we are so privileged gahapon. The people, heads from University of the Philippines came and visit us and joined us in the MOA signing. We would like to thank, of course, first is Attorney Leo Malagar, the University of the Philippines Cebu Chancellor. We also have Architect Hazel Trapero. She is the head office of the campus of the architect.
Yes.
She is,
She
and
is.
Campus Redevelopment
Okay.
Committee, and she is also the co-chairman. And we also had architect Ryan Ginobiagon, an OCA senior architect, and Miss Yvonne Gomos, campus redevelopment chairperson. Yes, Attorney Leo Bono supposedly he wanted to join us, but he was very busy. So katura sila ang anhi diri kahapon.
So pasalamat kita kana si Chancellor o
Yes.
ka architect.
Yes.
Si Miss Hazel Trapero and Mr. Ryan Anthony Ginobiagon.
Yes. And then nag-site inspection pod sila ning sakagid sila dito sa suha para makitaan gid nila, ma-feel nila og naa na dito ang school,
Yes.
no?
And then pasalamat pud ta kay nindot kay ang design na makita po niyo circulating gahapon and up until karon sa atong social media site, and pasalamat po ta sa presence sa mga local and national newspaper
Yes.
Yes.
and broadcasting companies silang the Freeman and Banat News, the Manila Times, MyTV Cebu, CDN Digital, DYSS Super Radio, and GMA, and Sunstar. Napadala sila og mga respective na mga journalist nga ni adtupod ni salmot sa maong kalihukan nato with UP.
Yes, so thank you kaayo sa pag-anhin. Hope to see you again.
Yes.
Kadagan kay Chika.
Yes, sa mga updates and improvements
Yes.
para sa atong lungsod.
Tinood. Yes, and aside from UP, the Philippine Statistic Authority,
Yes, nag-release sila, naghatag sila press release, no? Nagsaysay kini, no? The Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, Cebu Provincial Statistical Office informs that the public that starting April 1 mga higala, 2025, until further notice, national ID services will be available exclusively at the Fixed Registration Center or FRC located on the 3rd floor of Gaisano South, Colon Street, Cebu City. Dayon, individuals who have not yet registered are encouraged to visit no, the center to complete their registration and be included to the national ID system. And for inquiries and for further clarification, please do not hesitate their email at cebu@psa.gov.ph. Again, cebu@psa.gov.ph. Kana mga higala.
Yes, kay supposedly mag-visit man sila sa mga lugar-lugar.
Tinoon.
Yes, and they're doing field works, but now, for now, until further notice, kinahanglan gid nga adto sa ilang FRC magpa-register.
Yes, true.
Yes. And kanindot pod kay pwede pod mo email sa giingon ni Don
Yes.
Osvaldo in case layo man sila sa office nga giingon sa PhilSys, at least in that way basta online na sila mga pangutana nga matubag ra pod.
Kayo.
Okay, and yes, so today, April 4, is actually our first Friday Mass here at the Municipality of Dalaguete. And every month, amo gid nang gina-celebrate ang mga birthdays sa mga ato ang mga kauban sa trabaho,
Yes.
sa ilahang monthly, sa ilahang birth month, right, Cass?
Yes. Then ang kanindot po ani nila is mablisengan ng Father.
Oh, yes.
Diba?
Nagay blessing.
May blessings. Starting happy birthday today, Engineer Jaira Borda.
Happy
Yes,
birthday! Happy birthday, engineer!
So next would be birthday celebrants in the rest of the April. Michael Angelo Ambrad, Annalisa Inolpe, Victoria Gonzaga, Miguel Lajos Jr., James Osorio, Ryan Relatado. Happy birthday,
Ang dalaga.
Yes, ang madam. Eliza Jane Arbutante, Romelyn Escabillas, Ireneo Secosana, Judy May Sihudo, Ma'am Shi, happy birthday. Diogenes Carzon, Vicente Labrado, Aris Quincy, Crisanto Quisalan, Edovigues Belhida, Kenneth Batoktoy, Fernando Gutierrez, Marilo Gamboa, Rachel Villahermosa, Ernie Villacorta, Jerty Magni Karen, Leonida Vidas, Arlene Reponte. Happy birthday,
Happy
everyone.
birthday, everyone. Yes. And also, ang PhilPost will have its postal ID mobile capture. It's going to happen here in Dalaget sa katong mga walay PhilPost ID. Pwede mo join ang activity.
Yes.
We're gonna give you an update about that of when and where it is going to happen.
Stay
So
tuned.
please stay tuned.
Yes,
Yes.
atangi.
Og naapod sila'y atngan.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Atangin ninyo mga higala, no? Ang ato ang pagpasiga,
Yes.
no? Sa ato ang traffic lights.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
gahapon lang to no na-install
Yeah,
ang atong
install
traffic
gahapon.
lights. First ever.
First in the South.
Yes, first in the south.
Yes. So, kuan
Yes.
kita, we are so privileged nga in this way makakita kita nga ni-improve gyud pud ang ato ang lungsod.
Kaayo.
Yes.
Right? So it's going to be safe for everybody.
Yes,
Correct.
excited na ko. Pila gyud ana ang sa street light maabot mag 100 nga pareha sa SRP. Taas kayo.
Yes, excited ka no ay kanang ma-feel nimo ba ang kalambuan king ano, igdayon nimong lugsong, makita gini mo, ma-feel mo murag padung na jud ni syudad gyud ang lungsod sa Dalaguete,
Yes.
no?
Praying,
Yes.
praying nga magpadong na gitag pagkasyudad.
Yes.
And pala
Pohon.
sa Squid Game ba katong red light, green light.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, so please stay tuned. We're gonna give you, rest assured, we're gonna give you all the updates you need and all the updates we had here in our municipality of Dalaguete.
Sure.
Yes. So with that, mga kachika, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow Dalaguete Entertainment Hub and Municipality of Dalaguete. My name is Casper.
My name is Amy.
Kini inyong ubos nga higala, Don Osvaldo, and we are the
Powerhouse Chika!
Bye-bye!
Bye!